Hello everyone. Let us solve some problems on finding the radius of curvature of polar curve. First example. Find the radius of curvature of the curve r equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. Solution. What we have? We have the curve which is r equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. We need the derivative of r with respect to theta. So, differentiating this curve, here a is constant, derivative of 1 is 0, derivative of sin theta is minus, derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta. We need the second derivative also, so differentiating the first derivative. A as usual a constant, negative sign is there, derivative of sin theta is cos theta. As we know, the formula to find the radius of curvature of the given curve, which is in the polar curve, is r square plus r1 square whole raised to 3 by 2 divided by r square plus 2r1 square minus r into r2. Now, substituting all the values, the value of r as a into 1 plus cos theta, which is hypothesis, plus here we need the square of this, and r1 square, which is minus a sin theta the whole square, whole raised to 3 by 2 is there, whole divided by r square, which is a into 1 plus cos theta the square, plus 2 into r1 square minus a sin theta the square minus r into r2, which is a into 1 plus cos theta into the value of r2 is minus a cos theta. Now we need to solve. So will be equal to a square into 1 plus cos theta the whole square plus a square sin square theta whole raised to 3 by 2 divided by a square into 1 plus cos theta the whole square plus 2 times a square sin square theta minus minus into minus, this will be plus a square cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. Now we need to solve. Will be if we take a square outside, so a square raised to 3 by 2 will be there. We left with a cube. Here 1 plus cos theta the whole square, which is in the form a plus b the whole square, right? And here is sin square theta. So 1 plus cos square theta plus 2 into cos theta plus sin square theta whole raised to 3 by 2 is there, divided by a square into, simplifying, 1 plus cos theta the whole square, right? 1 plus cos square theta plus 2 cos theta plus 2 sin square theta is there plus cos theta plus cos square theta. Okay, this will be equal to a cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1 here, 2 plus 2 cos theta raised to 3 by 2 divided by 2 sin square theta, 2 cos square theta, 2 plus 1, 3 plus cos theta plus 2 cos theta, 3 cos theta will be equal to a times, if we take 2 outside, so this will be 2 raised to 3 by 2 into 1 plus cos theta whole raised to 3 by 2 divided by, if we take 3 outside, 1 plus cos theta will left. So a here 2 raised to 3 by 2 can be written as 2 root 2 divided by 3. Here 1 plus cos theta raised to 1 by 2, right? Now can be written as a 2 root 2 by 3 1 plus cos theta r by a, because we know that r equal to a into 1 plus cos theta, which implies 1 plus cos theta equal to r by a. Simply I am substituting. Solving this, we get rho equal to 2 by 3 times square root of 2ar, because a raised to 1 by 2 is there and here a raised to 1 is there. We left with root a in the numerator. We can solve this problem by using Pedal equation also. Let us go for that. The second method, we have r equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. dr by d theta is equal to minus a sin theta. Tan pi we need. As usual, according to the formula, tan pi equal to r divided by dr by d theta. So the value of r is a into 1 plus cos theta divided by the value of dr by d theta is minus a sin theta. Converting it to half angle formula, a can be cancelled. 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2. Sin theta is 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. So by cancelling in the numerator it will be cos theta, right? So cos divided by sin, nothing but cot theta by 2. Here is negative sign. Cot in terms of tan will be tan of pi by 2 plus theta by 2, which is the value of tan pi, which implies pi equal to pi by 2 plus theta by 2. According to the formula, p equal to r sin pi. Am I correct? In the last class, we have discussed the pedal form p equal to r sin pi. So r sin pi, and then substituting the values, r sin value of pi is pi by 2 plus theta by 2. So r sin this pi by 2 plus theta by 2 is cos theta by 2, which implies p square is equal to r square cos square theta by 2, which is r square. We need the value of cos square theta by 2. As usual, we know that r equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. A times idu 2 cos square theta by 2. So cos square theta by 2 will be, you need this Allah. So r divided by 2a. Okay, I am substituting r divided by 2a here. Therefore, p square equal to r cube divided by 2a, which is the pedal equation to the given curve. We have found the value of pedal equation. Now we need radius of curvature. So differentiating this with respect to r according to the formula. So p square, derivative of p square is 2p here with respect to r equal to derivative of, here 1 by 2a constant, derivative of r cube is 3r square. Now dp by dr will be equal to 3r square divided by 2 2s are 4p. A is there. Okay, then 3r square divided by 4a, the value of p we are substituting, which is square root of r cube divided by 2a. Because we know the value of p square, we need p. Therefore, will be square root of r cube by 2a. Now, simplifying will be equal to 3r square divided by 4a r raised to 3 by 2, and if we took to the numerator will be square root of 2a. Can be written as solving, raised to 3 by 2 is there, raised to 2 is there, here 3, here 2 raised to 1 by 2 is there. Three by 2 square root of r divided by square root of a. Am I correct? Okay. Therefore, radius of curvature rho equal to, according to the formula, this will be r divided by dp by dr. R divided by, substituting the value of dp by dr is 3 by 2 root r divided by root a, which is 2 by 3 r divided by root r. Root r we left, and this will come to the numerator. So if we'll come to numerator, we got 2 by 3 square root of 2ar. Substituting 2 by 3 square root of 2ar. Yeah. So in the both case, we get the same result. Please go through this problem and understand the concept clearly. We'll continue in the next class.